In this video, I'll go over the 2023 stats for Waterloo Region and my 4 predictions for 2024. In 2023, residential sales were down overall in Waterloo Region, a reality of the market correcting itself from 2 years of unprecedented sales and prices. 2023 was a price correction year where we saw prices drop 7.7% on average from 2022. Although prices are up 2% from 2021, it's always important to look at real estate from a long-term perspective and not a short-term flip. In fact, the average 5-year sale price is up 77%, an 11.5% year-over-year return, which outperforms the S&P 500, and a great investment if you incorporate the 5 to 20% down payment and capital paydown. Now, the most stable residential asset this past year has been and always will be the single detached home, while condos have seen the most volatility. And now for my 4 predictions of 2024. Number 1, rates will drop 3 to 4 times, 75 to 100 basis points starting in June or July, and again in the late fall, probably November or December. I see the Bank of Canada dropping rates while the market typically slows down. I think a March or April drop will stimulate the market too much, but a summer rate drop will help keep the seasonality of real estate more consistent this year. Number 2, 2023 saw a 2-decade low for sales in Waterloo Region, and I expect that to change. Sales will be up without a doubt compared to 2023, where we saw around 6,600 sales. I would expect to see upwards of 8,000 sales this year. And number 3, prices go up 4% in 2024. Historically, before 2017, when we saw the market really ramp up, we would see 4 to 6% appreciation, and I think we get back to that. First quarter, we'll see flat growth, but when we see rates drop in the late spring, early summer, I expect to see more media attention and confidence in the market, which will lead to higher demand and prices. Now, there's a caveat to this prediction, and it's condos. I expect condo prices to stay flat in 2024. There's just too much supply to see any significant growth in that segment, and although prices have been dropping, I expect them to level out to $600 to $700 a square foot in downtown Kitchener and uptown Waterloo, depending on the building, of course. And number 4, investors return to the market. I expect that investors slowly come back to the market. Even though rents are high, it was quite hard to cash flow on anything, even if you had 20 to 25% down because of the current interest rate. I think they slowly return to the resale market, but not the pre-construction market. Pre-construction prices are expected to remain the same as construction costs continue to stay high. For a pre-con high-rise condo, you can expect $900 to over $1,000 a square foot, and you can get resale condo that is under 5 years old for $600 to $700 a square foot. And that spread is just too large at the moment. Now, that's my prediction video. Am I going to be right or wrong? We'll see what 2024 brings us. If you agree or disagree with any of my points, I'd love to hear it. Leave a comment down below and let me know where you expect the market to go this year. I'm Eric Irwin with EE Real Estate, where you buy and sell with ease.